I currently work for the North Carolina National Guard Mates facility on Fort Bragg, North Carolina. I'm a maintenance welder, and I use Victor equipment to chop stuff up or fix it. Could work on a main Abrams battle tank one moment, and the next I'm working on a troop carrier or a Humvee, a forklift. My Victor torch comes into play when things need some convincing. And I fell in love with cutting. I respected the equipment, the torch, what it took to make a clean cut. I just took off. I wanted to learn as much about flame, the right speed. This Victor stuff, it doesn't break, so it's gonna be here. Just maintain it and keep using it till the wheels fall off. It's been 5 years now since I've owned a Victor torch. I trust them. They're tough. They've been around for a long time. They're over 100 years old, and they're obviously doing something right. Every weld, every cut counts, so you have to have the right equipment. Victor's the most trusted name in the cutting world. I'm Staff Sergeant Mendoza, and I'm a ruler of the flame.